Hello. Okay, so I've been building something that I've been excited about, right? And this is kind of why I started this whole channel thing. And this is what I'm doing right now is just working on this. Um, so I'm going to show you that now, right? And what I'm working on is basically a accountability app, right? For Windows specifically, right now, I'm calling it Nudge for now because that's what I'm calling it for now. What this is, so as you can see, it already has logged a bunch of stuff today because I've been working on it today, right? And then it has this little companion that you can turn into this little bubble, right? And then it's got like my goals, which is basically just a master prompt. If you're familiar with the way you should be prompting AI and stuff, then you'll know what that is. And then you can decide what apps it fully blocks and what apps it just moderates and like asks you like what are you doing. But yeah, basically this how this thing works is if I'm doing something I shouldn't be doing. So say I start playing a video game. Like if I go to here, right? And I sit here for a minute. It yeah. This is basically a thing that's just like, hey, what are you doing? You can tell, you can ask to talk about it, right? And you can snooze it for 5 minutes, or you can say, I'll get back to work. And then, like, if I say I'll get back to work, I gotta go here, and then like keep doing what I'm doing, you know. Um, this is active hours of the app and how often it should check in. I've got this right here. So this, I'm using an Anthropic API key for this right now, but when I ship the app, this shouldn't be a thing. It'll just be like the app, and you won't have to do the API key or anything. So beyond that, we've got local AI, right? So right now, I've put a Llama, I think 3.2 on this. But anyways, so these are a bunch of models you can pull. I'm planning on making this so that you can, there's a button that just installs the models for you. But you do have to install Olama for this. So it's if you want to do fully local AI, and you also need a computer that can handle that. But I'm planning on making this fully local so that there's absolutely zero privacy concerns. So that'll be cool. This AI mode basically just decides like if it's fully local or if it like knows exactly what you're doing, and it's really like it understands everything, and then this is like in between. This will use less usage for sure. um I mean, all these things, voice input, privacy, this is a really important thing, I think, for a lot of people. So these are all privacy settings and stuff. And then at the bottom here, it's like hide nudge from screen capture. So right now I can just make it disappear and then make it reappear. And then there's never send sensitive context to cloud AI. I'm still working on the privacy stuff, so it's not working yet, but I will get it working. Um, and I mean, yeah, what nudge remembers, so all these things. So I said like distraction, Crunchyroll slash anime, and like distraction YouTube, distraction shorts, reels, TikTok. I don't watch TikTok, but I've never even had TikTok. But shorts and reels are definitely an issue. And then my goal, and then like productive context. So yeah, this is something I've been making recently, and it's been taking me a decent amount of time. I like the name Nudge, but if anybody has any ideas, that would be great. Oh yeah, and it has tasks and stuff that basically let you, like, you can also ask this thing, like, make a task, um, to, uh, build build a website build a website, right? And then you'll see here, it adds the task to the task list, and then it says tasks 1 out of 3 done, right? And then now one of the things that it'll be telling you to do is like, hey, keep building the website, right? It also has an activity log, so it just tells you everything that you've been doing. Again, that's a privacy thing that I gotta make sure that this either all stays local, or it is very careful about like who it goes to. So, I mean, if you trust Claude, then, or if you trust Anthropic, then it shouldn't be an issue. But some people don't, so if they want this local, I will have to make everything, you know, make nothing go to anywhere. Basically, make it all stay on your machine. But yeah, that's what I'm working on. It's called Nudge, and I hope this will be helpful for a lot of people, because I've actually started building this because of a problem that I have, which is like I'm super scattered. I have a billion different projects, right? And I need to be able to moderate that. I mean, as you can see from my Windows background, I used to play tons of video games, and I used to do a lot of stuff. I still play some, but not a ton. And like, I don't know, I started making a video game the other day, and I was just making it, and I just get super sidetracked. So this will help me a lot for not getting sidetracked. It already has. Even building it, the bare bones version of it like has already made me build it faster and more effectively, which is awesome, and I'm really excited about it. So yeah, I mean, that's about it. I'm trying to build this thing, trying to get there, you know. I mean, everybody wants to be rich. Most people do. And if you don't, okay. And like, I just I mean, I got goals, bro. I'm going to do everything I can to get there. So hopefully this will be really helpful for other people as well, because I have a hard time working on things that, you know, don't help other people. I would much prefer to be able to build something that can help other people and help me, and like, yeah. So this is Nudge. Oh, also, I like just started making videos, right? And if you want to follow along with this, if you want updates about this, all you need to do is just notification bell, subscribe, and then notification bell, and like it if you like it, because I really don't know if I can do this and like make money off of it unless I have people supporting me. It's not possible. So your support is what would make me be able to do this. Also, I do have a website. It's really first drafty, but it's called nudge-companion.com. So if you want the website, I'll link it in the description. So, bye.